FCPX here, and today I want to show you a very simple but very nice and effective trick to polish your color grading in the final step. For sure it depends on the look of your image, but mostly it's a quite nice final step to make your footage look more pleasing. As always, here I have a clip which is already color corrected and I've created a subtle look already too. It looks good so far. In the sake of this tutorial, I bundled my node tree inside a compound node. So I would say no time to lose, let's start. As first, create a new color grade version by clicking Command and Y on Mac or Strong and Y on Windows, and now add a stereo node. This will be our so-called final adjustment node. I guess you have the idea. Open your OpenFX panel and search for color generator. Apply it to the last node and click on the white color field. Click the color wheel and drag the slider under the wheel to black. Your image should now look totally pitched black. Now jump to the key panel and change the key output to between about 0.05 and 0.1. This depends on your image. For me in this example, 0.05 works fine. If I now toggle this node on and off, you can see the difference. What we've done so far is nothing else than adding a subtle black tint to the image. Okay, if you look at the scopes, here I choose the waveform, you will recognize that we are reducing the color and luminance contrast with this tint. Nothing special, and some of you may think, "Puh, that can I achieve by reducing the saturation and contrast too?" And yes, for sure, you can achieve this by using other tools too, but not with just one tool. I show you the alternate way. First I switch to my other grade version, then adding a stereo node, jump to the primary bars and lower only the Y channel of the gain to about 0.95 until about 0.9. In my case 0.95 works good. If I now jump between the two grade versions forth and back, you see a subtle but notable difference. Can you see it? The color contrast in the actual grade version is still too high. Okay, let's fix it and desaturate it to about 48. Yes, looks good. If I now switch back and forth between the two grade versions, you are almost equal. But what if we now want to adjust the result by applying a bit more? Now the difference makes it clear. In our tint version, we only have to adjust the key output value to what we want. In the other technique, we have to adjust more than one value, and that makes it a bit more complicated. So that's it. With this little trick you achieve a subtle more high def look in your image, and I thought it could be interesting for some of you. I hope I could show you a little but effective trick, giving your footage a subtle final touch, a bit more high def boost as a final adjustment. If you want to see more tips like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. You all a great time as always. Bye.